I'm here to give you simple and effective self-defense strategies to help you feel safer. No. Action.
Let it go. Let it go.
Obviously notice no. Whatever allows you to, and there's a helicopter. There's a helicopter. Testing 1 2 3, testing.
Check 1 2 1 2.
And you could slice through your tendons, etc. Oh, or anything, and that's just terrible. Oh no. There's a bee. There's a bee. Ah. How to do certain. This is just rambling. I'm just going nowhere with this. And what I mean by that, no.
Strategies that you can use to help your
Okay, you all saw that, right? That bee went right for the camera.